Hi and welcome to another Instrument Choice support video. In this video we'll demonstrate how to set up and measure carbon monoxide using the IC-EL USB CO carbon monoxide data logger. The IC-EL USB CO takes a sample reading of carbon monoxide at set intervals and is used for recording, monitoring and analysis purposes. It is not a suitable substitute for a domestic or industrial carbon monoxide detector or alarm. To get started, you'll need to install the included battery. To do so, you'll need a small pen or screwdriver to open the battery compartment. Use the pen or screwdriver to press down on the silver clip gently, then pull the USB head away from the body. This reveals the battery cavity. Install the battery, observing the polarity. The LED lights will flash once installed. With the battery installed, click the logger back together. Once the LEDs have stopped flashing, the unit is ready to be set up using the software. Remove the lid to reveal the USB and plug this into your computer. On your computer, open the EasyLog USB software. If you do not yet have this, the download link is in the description. Select Setup and start the USB data logger. First, read the safety agreement. Once read, select I agree and click Next. On the next page, you can select a name for the logger and the frequency the logger will collect readings. Next to each measurement frequency, there is a bracketed number. This is the logging time until full. Once set up, select Next. On the second page, there are three options. The first is the ability to turn on or off the LED indicator for alarms. Next is the carbon monoxide trigger level in parts per million. If you're not sure of a suitable level to select, click CO Levels on the right-hand side. This gives a breakdown of CO ppm levels, exposure time, as well as symptoms. Once the warning level is selected, you can select or deselect the hold function. This is whether or not you would like the logger to keep indicating that the warning level has been reached, even after returning back to a normal level. The last selection on this page is the sounder. You can turn this off or on. Once all selections on this page are made, click Next. On the third page, you can select the start type between immediate or delayed. A delayed start will give you time to position the logger. If selecting delayed, you can select your desired start time and date. Once selected, click Next. All set up, you can remove the logger and click OK. We'll replace the lid of the logger and leave it for a while to collect some carbon monoxide data samples. We've left the logger for around 30 minutes to collect data at 10-second intervals. We'll now remove the lid, plug the USB back in and have a look at the collected data. Reopen the EasyLog software and select Stop the USB data logger and download data. There will be a confirmation warning. Click OK. The software will come up with this screen, detailing that the logger is in the stopped position and give a breakdown of the logger name and number of readings. Click OK again to view the data. Almost instantly, the collected data is displayed in a graph. Running the mouse over the graph shows the sample day, date, time, and measured CO amount in parts per million. Selecting and deselecting the checkboxes just below the data allows you to toggle which information you'd like to see. You can see and remove the CO reading, as well as your set warning level. To view the data, select Data View. This is a breakdown of the reading date, time, and amount. This information can be exported, so you can further graph, share, and save your collected information. And that's how to set up and measure carbon monoxide using the IC-EL USB CO carbon monoxide data logger. For more information on this logger, see the links in the video description. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.